start the class. Yes. So these are the problems actually. Take a pen, take a notebook, start solving it. Tell me the answers one by one.
Ma'am, can I go and get the notebook?
Yeah, you can within 1 minute. Fast. No more wasting
Okay.
time.
Ma'am, the first 3 questions are in the homework.
Yeah. If
Ma'am,
you
can
have did the homework, then go with 4th and 5th. Do the 4th and 5th question. If you have any doubt, please do ask me immediately.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Siddhant.
I had a confusion here. Right? I was feeling like.
You can ask me now.
Ma'am, I remember the formula of I equals to Q by T. So, yeah, ma'am. So here, like the the column is given in the first question and the time taken is also given. So is it like that we need to find the
Current.
we need to find the like current or something?
Yeah, we need to find the current. No, it's mentioned like calculate the current in the wire. So current is basically I here. I is equal to current. No, here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a direct substitution. Just direct substitution. These
Okay, ma'am.
problems are
That's
not
what
at all.
I.
Yeah. Direct substitution you can do.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
see 1 second. The SI unit, people, I don't know. See, I don't have answers for this. I'll tell you the steps. Calculation part, you take care. The SI unit is seconds always. When it comes to time, it's always seconds. So whenever they give in minute, they give in hour, you have to convert by default into seconds. Okay, so here in the first question, they have given 2 minutes. So convert 2 minutes to question mark seconds, x seconds. What is that? And then only divide. Don't directly put 2 and tell me 15. The answer is okay. It's wrong. It's very simple question. How long? Should I pick up the name? Yes, Hamza. What about your homework, dear?
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you now.
Ma'am, I'm done with the questions.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Yes, Hamza. Where is the homework?
Ma'am, I saw my laptop was lagging little.
It's okay. I asked you where is the question? Sorry, where is your homework?
Ma'am, I forgot.
How will you forget? Is your parent right behind you or beside you somewhere? Yes? Hamza? Hamza?
Ma'am.
Are you going to school, Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
So school homeworks doing?
What?
You're doing school homeworks
Yes, ma'am.
and not doing this one. This is something else and that is something else. Call your mother or father if they are behind you. I'll just tell you your son is keep on forgetting the homework also. I'll tell. Call.
Ma'am, can I show you my diagram?
Yeah, Soumya, sure. And keep your cameras open. Hamza.
Ma'am, is the answer 2.5?
Yeah, Soumya, it's good. Soumya,
Ma'am,
I told 1 second, 1 second moment. I told you to draw this diagram. Exactly this one. Have you drawn that only? Where is the circuit? Where is the external circuit, Soumya? If there is no external circuit, the bulb will not glow. Yes, so basically the answer will be 30 by... What is 2 minutes is equal to how many seconds? 120, right?
120. Ma'am, answer is
60 seconds is the answer. 3600 coulombs.
No. 30 by 120, right? It will come like this, no?
Yes.
So
Ma'am,
it
it
will
will
be
be
3 by
1 by 4
12
in
basically. So it will be like 1 by 4. So what is the
that. Yes,
answer of
it
1 by 4? 0 point?
2.5.
0
Like
0.05.
0.25.
0.25 coulombs is the answer.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Sudarshan, where did you do the mistake, dear?
I multiplied it.
What is the formula of current? I equal to Q by T. Just direct substitution, you have to convert the minutes into seconds. I equal to Q by, please children make a note of this formula.
Ma'am, what's the answer you gave?
0.25.
Where?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, like while doing the sum, I made the pyramid to remember, ma'am.
I
To remember,
is
I
equal
made that
to
pyramid.
I didn't get.
amperes.
Yeah. Second question, start. Start the Siddhant, what happened? Did you get the right answer?
Ma'am, I got 0.25.
That's correct. Go to the second one. Soumya, what about you? Aishwarya, what about you?
I got 4. Yeah.
Answer is 4 for the first one.
Yes.
How did you do? Can you explain the step?
So I did 30 divided by 120.
30 divided by 120.
Yeah, so I got
So it is 1 by 30. You're
Ma'am,
telling
second question answer
divided
is
by 120, right? 1 second, children. 30 divided by 120. What will be the answer? Yeah, Aishwarya. Yeah. 30 divided by 120. See, I'll write here if you want. Children. I
Ma'am,
thought
is
of
the
giving some higher order thinking questions in that. I thought of giving some more tough problems.
Ma'am,
I
is the
think we
answer
won't.
54 for the second one?
I didn't calculate, children. Wait, I'll come. First, we'll solve the Aishwarya's doubt.
Ma'am,
Aishwarya,
I'm
it is
done with all
basically
questions.
30 by 120. All right. 0 cancels. 3 by 12. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So it will be like basically 1 by 4. So if you divide 1 and the 4, so the 4 is the greater one. So you will have 0 point here, right? You will put a point here. So it will have, you will add 1 0 here. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So it will be basically 2. Correct? And again, the 4 is higher here. So I am adding one more 0. Sorry. Here one more 0. So 4 fives are 20. 0. Right? So 0.25 should be the answer, Aishwarya. Where did you get 4?
Oh, okay.
Did you get now?
Yes, ma'am.
Still having doubt, please ask. Yes, second problem. 4.5 amperes is the current given. 4.5 is equal to, I is equal to, what is the formula? Q by T.
I is equal to Q by T.
Yeah, everyone should take part. Gelda, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I drew a
Ma'am, I
triangle.
got the answer 54.
Yes, ma'am, 54.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also got 54.
So basically you have to multiply these two, right? 4.5 into 12.
Yeah, ma'am.
So when you do, it is coming 52, 54.
54.
Yeah, ma'am.
54 is the Q. And do not forget always to write with the units. So for the first one, you would have written amps.
254 is equal to Q.
0.25 amps.
Q.
And in second one, you will be writing coulomb. Right? Third one,
Ma'am, third one I got 5.
is everyone getting 5?
Yes, ma'am. Third one is
Any
5.
doubt? Soumya,
Yes.
Aishwarya,
Ma'am, third one is 5. He's correct.
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting 5.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 5.
Soumya, yes, Gelda, okay, fine. Sudarshan,
Yes, ma'am.
getting 5?
Yes.
It's not working. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, fourth one is also 5.
Yes, ma'am, fourth one is also 5.
Okay. Third one,
If
fourth.
50 coulombs are electric charge flows through a wire in 10 seconds. Calculate the current in the wire. 10 by 50 is equal to
Yeah. Everybody got the
Equal to
answer
1
for
by 5?
51?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Soumya, what about you?
10 by 50 is equal to 1 by 5, or 10 by 50 is equal to 2 by 25.
Ma'am, is the
Chakrika,
fifth
what
one
about you? Yes, Sudarshan, hold on. Yes, Chakrika, what about you? Soumya getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one, all done?
Yes, ma'am. The fifth.
Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am. It is 45. 45 columns.
Yes, ma'am.
45 columns.
Everybody getting or you're just telling?
No,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 45 column.
Okay, shall we solve more problems or we'll go to resistors?
Yes, ma'am. Give more
ma'am,
problems.
we'll do
Ma'am, give a
like
little
more
bit
five.
hard than
I
this.
have a worksheet.
Ma'am, can you give a little bit hard than this?
I'll give. I have a worksheet. Wait. So, hold on for 2 minutes. And Sudarshan, please tell your answer, and others, please check whether he's telling correct or not.
10
Okay.
by 50 is equal to 1 by 5.
Question number, with question number, Sudarshan.
If 50 coulombs of electric charge flows through a wire in 10 seconds, calculate the current in the wire.
What is your answer?
10 by 50 is equal to 1 by 5.
5 by
Be
1.
50 by 10.
Exactly 50 by 10. It is 50 by 10. You told wrong.
Explain somebody.
Sorry. 10 by
Please
50 is
explain.
equal to 50 by 10, right?
I is equal
Yes, the answer would be 5. It should be like 50 by
5
10.
by 10.
Yes. No, like 5 by 1 in the end.
5 by
First
1
you
in
should
the
write-
end.
Yes,
when we
it means
simplify.
5.
You got it?
No, like the mistake you did is you put 50 as the denominator. You should put it as the numerator.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Sorry.
Column.
It should be the denominator.
The answer is 5, right?
Yeah, because the formula is I equals Q by T. That's why 50 will come up and 10 will go down.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Fourth question.
I don't know why this is not going. Wait a second.
Ma'am,
Sheila.
use eraser.
Ma'am, you have to use the eraser.
No, eraser is not working. That's
Ma'am,
it.
then no, ma'am, then you should do Control Z.
Right click.
You could have done like Control Z.
Control Z I tried, then also it's not working.
Oh. You just deleted it.
Wait, I'll
Left
Ma'am,
click on
delete the whole
eraser.
slide.
yeah, actually I closed everything. Oh,
Now else create the new slide like right next to the slide like of question.
I did a mistake. Okay, fine. All my slides, no, their thing, everything gone now. Okay, fine. We'll insert a new slide. I'll redo the things. No
Ma'am,
problem.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, do this question, everybody. Yeah, Siddhant, your doubt, please.
Ma'am, my doubt is like if the answers are given and the columns are given, and it's asking is how much time is taking for the electric charge to go. Like then
Come
also
again?
we'll ma'am, like you take one example in which the answers are given in columns are given, and we need to find a time in like seconds. So what to do in that case?
So you're telling like I equal to Q by T is there. In that Q is given, I is given. T you have to find. Yeah?
Ma'am, we just
Yeah,
have to
ma'am.
multiply. Ma'am, we just have to multiply I into Q.
I equal to Q by T. So
Ma'am,
IT,
to find T, we must multiply I into T. And so I into Q.
you can replace I and
No,
T.
ma'am, like we should give the SI unit a second only, right?
Yeah, it's default.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, default. It's default. SI unit of time is seconds. Default. When they mention in the question, you have to find in minutes, then you can go with same minutes.
Conversion.
Yeah, don't have to convert. If they given in minutes, seconds means you have to convert to seconds to minutes. It's vice versa. But if they don't mention anything, it's by default you have to convert to seconds. Please do the sum. Yes. Is my screen visible now?
No,
Ma'am, it's gone.
No, like something.
Yes,
That,
ma'am.
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it is visible.
Start doing it. Read the question
Ma'am, I
carefully.
cannot get.
Yes.
Ma'am, will the time and charge will be double?
I need the proof. Do the sum and see. If a current in a circuit is doubled, current is basically getting doubled. How does this affect the time taken for the given amount of charge to pass through the circuit? It's actually very simple. Yes, everybody doing it there? Gelda? Gelda?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwant?
Yes.
Do it. Everyone. Answer will be told by Hamza now. Nobody should else. Nobody else should answer.
Hamza.
Ma'am, I'm still trying to understand.
Hamza, say the answer.
Hamza will say after 1 minute. Yes, come on. This very simple, no? It's very simple. Just write the answer question first. Every time I just tell you the format of solving any question. First write given. What is being given in the question and to find what you have to find from the question. Always write given as a first step. So what is given in this question exactly?
The current is double.
Current is double. So what is the formula of current? Finding current.
I into
I
Is equal to
time into
I is
charge.
equal to Q by T.
Q by T. So what they are telling, current is doubled means
Current will
Q
be
is double.
Q is into 2.
Q into 2. Q is current here or I is current or T is current?
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
I is
I
current.
yes.
I is
I-
doubled. So doubled
is
means
double.
what should I do?
I
I into 2.
Yes, ma'am. I
yes.
Ma'am, 2i.
Ma'am, 2i into q by equal to q by t.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
read the second line. How does this affect the time taken for
Ma'am.
the given amount of charge?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it makes the time faster because it is into 2.
2 into I. Q by T. Yeah.
The time
Ma'am, 2i equal to q by t 2t.
Q by okay, wait. You have
Ma'am,
to go step by
2I
step.
into T will be like Q. 2I into T will become Q. Ma'am, the time would decrease.
First time should go this way. So T is equal to Q by 2I. Okay. Correct?
Yes.
Correct.
And the
Now,
Q should be
wait a minute. Let us name this as T1. 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 Okay. So this is a normal formula of I equal to Q by T. So now I just want to make it like Q by I. If I make it Q by I, then T is equal to Q by I. Correct? T is equal to Q by I. Correct?
Yes.
Just
Yes.
replacing this formula. T is equal to Q by I. So here Q instead of Q by I, can I make it T? Can I
Yes.
put it T? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
1 by,
Yes.
I mean, sorry, 1 by 2 into T2. I'll name that as T2. Correct? Fine?
yes. Ma'am.
Understanding
Ma'am, I'm
each and
getting
every step?
confused.
Ma'am,
Confused.
somewhere I got confused.
I know you will get confused. Wait. It's just substitutions will come from first. So, first the given is I is equal to Q by T. We know this formula. It's very well. We know the formula. Now they are telling the current is doubled. So first step you all got correct. To 2 into I. I'm doubling the
I.
current. Okay. 2I Q by T. Now I need to find the time here. How this affects the time. So I need to find the time. So take the time in the right hand side to the left hand side of the equation. So
Yes.
if you take that to left hand side of the equation, it's simple cross multiplication. Everybody knows this, right?
Yes.
If I just take
Ma'am,
t
I don't
this
know if
side,
you're learning science or maths.
no, physics is a subset of maths. Actually, maths came from physics, actually. Okay. So Q by 2I. Correct? You know all of you know this cross multiplication. Gelda,
Yes.
Soumya,
Yes.
Sudarshan, Ashwin, Adrit, Gushit, Sritej, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Are
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
understanding how the 2I goes there and T goes there?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I got that process, but here the T is split in divide, right? So if it goes, if the in the right place it's getting divide. If it goes to left, it will get multiplied,
Multiplied.
right?
Okay. So you're telling
T
this
is equals
is
to
going
Q
to be
by
I didn't understand, Siddhant, your point.
T is equal
Ma'am,
to.
my
Ma'am, like
point
if you
is,
take it to the other side, it will become
it will
multiplication.
become multiplied.
You're
ma'am.
taking the T to other side. It will be multiplication.
Yes.
yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Correct. I'm also doing the multiplication only.
Ma'am, but you kept the division symbol like.
Where I kept the division symbol, ra?
Ma'am, T is equals to Q by.
2I. See, okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, wait. I'll include another step here. See, 2I equal to Q by T. Okay. T, if
Yes.
it is in division, go to that side as a multiplication.
Yes.
T into 2 into I into Q. Now 2I is in multiplication, go to that side as a division. Got it?
Yes.
Am I right or not?
Yes.
Here, as you people told, I did. 2I is equal to Q by T. T is in division, ma'am. Going that side, it will become multiplication. Yeah, it is becoming multiplication.
T is
Now I
equals
am
to-
bringing the 2I to that side. Why I am bringing? Because I need to find the T only. So except T, everything should go to the right hand side of the equation. That is the rule of maths. Yes.
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 So 2I is in multiplication. So bring that to the other side. It becomes division. Correct? So T
Yeah, ma'am.
is equal to Q by 2I. Now did you all get like how it became division here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Logically?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now
Yes.
understand the further steps. Now we came to this step of T is equal to Q by I. Now still I don't know how does it affects the time. Can you give me any conclusion? How does it affects time? Time doubles or time divides by 2 or time increases or time decreases? Can you give me the proper
Ma'am,
explanation?
I think,
Time should be
ma'am, I can
multiplied
just
with
guess
2.
it because, ma'am, I can just guess it like, if you take, like, I'm just taking one example. So let us take like for the questions you gave. So we are just using that formula. So in that formula, how it is affecting the time, we should understand in that formulas, and then we should come here. Like there, if the time is given, we are just like, I don't know how to say. I don't
See,
know how to say.
basically, if you ask me, I can tell in one word, I can tell, yeah, if you double the current, obviously T is inversely proportional to current, no? So when you double the current, T will be reduced to by 2, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct or no? Directly, I can say, if I increase the current by 2 times, time
Ma'am,
will get decreased by 2 times.
when you're teaching this algebra came in my mind.
No, why it is important to always prove? You cannot just say, no, I cannot just come and say you people to believe everything. You're asking me doubts, right? If I say something, you're asking me doubts, how it is coming, how it is coming. So like that only. If you normally see by definition, we can easily find current if you double, time will increase by 2 times. No, it will divide. Actually, T by 2 will become. But I want the proof, no? I want the
Ma'am,
proof.
that means that, ma'am, the I is smaller, then the time is greater, and the I is like
That is
greater,
what,
then the time
yeah,
is decreasing.
that was a whole
That's what the
Ramayana
difference
yesterday
is.
we were discussing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now
Yes,
till now,
ma'am.
did you understand this step? So, but solving
ma'am.
this equation is very important, children, because in physics paper, nobody will accept your theories. They will ask you proofs. So I want to prove when current is 2 times increasing, time will also 2 times decrease. So how will I prove that? With the help of solving the equations. So T is equal to Q by 2I. Till that you understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please understand carefully. We already know the general formula of I is equal to Q by T. Correct? Now I am renaming the T as T1. Please understand, renaming the T as T1. Now coming to this, I already know that I is equal to Q by T is the normal general formula. Now here I am replacing this with T. So if I replace with T, same formula, Q by I, correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So why I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
doing this? Why I don't have any work or what? So why I am doing this? Because here I have Q by I. I want to kick off this Q by I, and I have to put some T in terms of T I want to put. That's why I want to remove the Q by I. I don't want to have my expression to have any Q's or I's or anything else other than time. So for that, to kick out Q by I, I'm using this formula. T is equal to Q by I. Now did I get what is the value of T? Q by I. No, this is I'm taking from the normal general formula that we all know. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding everybody, every single line.
Yes.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
substitute Q by I in this formula. T1 is equal to 1 by 2. Just I am writing it like this. Q by I. Just I am Q by 2 I am writing like 1 by 2 into Q by I. Do you all know how it comes, right?
Ma'am, how it comes to half 1 by 2?
Arey, Q by 2i is there. What is actually in this denominator? Q into 1. Nothing is there means we can have it like 1, no? We can imagine nothing is there means 1 is there. Okay, 2 into I, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay. I understood. Like
So
you're
I,
talking about like the Q is only 1 and the I is 2 multiplies by 2. So you're just removing the 2 separate from I and
yeah,
1 separate from
correct.
Q. So it would be half into Q by I.
Everybody understood this step?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now substituting the Q by I in the place of Q by I, I'm substituting T. Can I substitute?
Yes, ma'am.
Adrit is not understanding.
ma'am.
Not understanding, Adrit?
Ma'am, I'm understanding.
Okay. So T1 is equal to 1 by 2 will remain the same. Instead of Q by I, I'm putting like I'm substituting T. And I am naming this T as T2. Yes, for not having confusion, 2 T's are there, so you may get confused. So T1 is equal to T2 by 2. Hence proved, right? The time is getting decreased by 2 times. When I increase the current 2 times higher, time I am divided by 2 means going down. Time is going down by 2 times, right?
Yes,
Hence proved.
Yes, ma'am.
Hence proved.
Ma'am, can you explain me from that like T1 equals to half into T2? Can you explain from that time?
Yes. Yes. Everybody else understood?
yes.
So you all are Siddhant, you understand like T is equal to 1 by 2 into Q by I. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
We have a basic formula of I is equal to Q by T, right? This is a basic formula. We all know.
Yeah, ma'am.
In this, I am, instead of I is equal to Q by T, I want the value of T. So what will I do basically? Q by I will make it, right? Just cross multiplication. T will go into that side and I will go to this side.
Yeah, ma'am.
So you understood this step, how it is coming?
Yeah, ma'am.
And I am naming this T as T2. Now I know what is the value of T2, Q by I. So instead of T1, I am naming this as 1. T1 is equal to 1 by 2. Instead of Q by I am substituting T2. Because T2 is equal to Q by I, Q by I is equal to T2. Vice versa. This is equal to that is equal to this. So I can use
Ma'am,
instead
so
of
it's like equal, like T2 is equal to Q by I. So
yeah,
instead of Q by I, we can write T2.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
But the point is, did you all understand how it is Q by I? T2 is equal to Q by I. It's from the normal formula, general formula. I'm converting that. Yes?
I'm just cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. Yes. Now, did you all get it? Now, hence proved, right? T1 is equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
T2 by half. So, when I increase the current 2 times, my time is going down 2 times. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, we all know. If you ask me, we both know. If I increase current, time will decrease because they're inversely proportional. But how to prove that? Yes? Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, I prepared resistors. I prepared what is series and what is parallel resistor, what is circuit diagrams, everything gone now. I have to prepare once again. Okay, fine, not a problem. We solved a good sum today. Everybody, I hope everybody understood. Chakrika understood? I could not hear your S.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is it
ma'am.
S or
class.
ma'am, can't it be further solved?
What?
Ma'am, can't it be further solved?
Ma'am,
Further solved.
will I end the class?
Yes, so
Tell
like
me, ma'am, tell-
does this affect the charge, like amount of charge?
If you
Excuse
double the
me.
current, whether it is affecting the charge or not. You're asking
Excuse
me.
me.
Ma'am, we got the answer. We got the answer. It is
Excuse me.
affecting.
Excuse me.
Sudarshan is calling you.
Yeah, please. Sudarshan, yes, please.
Excuse me. When will the class end?
You're always insulting me, Sudarshan, by asking when will the class
Sorry.
end. Why my class
Sorry,
is not
ma'am.
good for you?
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't mean to do it.
Class will end. I'll end the class now. I thought of completing resistors, everything, but it's okay. This question is good. You all learned something, no? From this question, it's not just waste of time, something like that. Right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Every
Yes,
step
ma'am.
learned a
should
very
be clear.
confusing thing.
Gelda? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Every step should be clear to everybody. Yes. And for the upcoming objective test, you will find the question paper is full of problems. I won't ask you any theories. I won't ask you to explain about Thomas Alva Edison and all. This will be full problematic paper this week test. So prepare accordingly. Yes.
No, ma'am, please keep on explaining
I'm
question.
like,
No.
we have both.
You all want to clear
Ma'am,
IIT-JEE NEET papers, right? You all want to clear those exams or not?
Ma'am, it's a dream.
So for you, if it is a dream,
Which
then
comes
go ahead.
true.
It will come true if you solve more. See, what is IIT-JEE? This is one of the, I think, one of the questions from Olympiads. I think so. One of the
Ma'am,
questions from
lot.
Olympiad.
Ma'am, I am taking science Olympiad only, but I bought a preparation guide also. There also, I'll send one. I have one doubt in this chapter only. It's a critical thinking. I'll send that doubt in your WhatsApp, and it will be good for me if you explain it.
Yeah, yes. I will explain the class to everyone. I'll explain. And everyone, important notice. And why everybody closes the camera? I don't know. Doing something else in the background? That's why you're closing the camera, people? Yeah, please listen to me very carefully. You all please enroll in 7th standard Olympiad exams. Understanding everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Please do enroll in Olympiad. Please go and tell your parents that my science teacher is telling me to enroll. It's very good. It's very good. You will.
Ma'am, I don't have that exams here because I live in different country.
Learn how to solve the questions and all to clear Olympiad.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for me in my school there's an Olympiad because I live in a different country.
Yeah, that's good. Everybody. Yes, I'll put in group also today. I'll tell every parent to enroll you all in the 7th standard Olympiad. Please start preparing and you can do it. Yes. Understanding everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am, I think AITs is also there.
AITs is best. That is, I think, Chanakya like giving now. AITs, everyone enrolled in AITs?
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
like I'll ask my father,
No,
so
ma'am.
he'll be doing like before this time.
Okay. Gelda, Hamza, Chakrika enrolled in AITs?
No, ma'am.
It's
No,
not, see, it's not like I'm promoting something, not like that. Don't think like that. I want you people to know something. If you solve more and more questions like today, you saw almost, I think, some 15 minutes over for this one question, but it's a good thing. If tomorrow I'm giving the same kind of question to you, you can solve within 5 minutes. You won't think at all. So first step is hard. The next step is so easy. So please do enroll. Everyone enroll in AITs. Something is better than nothing. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. Okay. And also please do enroll in Olympiad exams.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. We will.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet in the next class.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.